Make a great choice today with the 2017 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.